Question number 1. What is the normal range for adult blood pressure? The correct answer is option B, 120 over 80 mmHg. Question number 2. The basic functional unit of the kidney is. The correct answer is option B, nephron. Question number 3. Which of the following is the primary goal of nursing care? The correct answer C. Promote patient independence. Question number 4. The 5 rights of medication administration include all of the following except. The correct answer is option D. Right timing. Question number 5. Which electrolyte imbalance is most common in a patient with diarrhea? The correct answer is option B, hypokalemia. Question number 6. The primary treatment for an acute myocardial infarction MI is. The correct answer is option C, clot dissolution therapy. Question number 7. Which is the most common position of the fetus during labor? The correct answer is option C, cephalic. Question number 8. Preeclampsia is characterized by. The correct answer is option B, proteinuria and hypertension. Question number 9. The first immunization given to a newborn is. The correct answer is option D, BCG vaccine. Question number 10. The Apgar score assesses. The correct answer is option B, heart rate, respiration, muscle tone, reflex response, and color. Question number 11. The first step in basic life support BLS is. The correct answer is option D, call for help. Question number 12. The priority intervention for a patient in shock is. The correct answer is option B, administer oxygen. Question number 13. The Geneva Convention is primarily concerned with. The correct answer B, the protection of soldiers and civilians during war. Question number 14. The primary role of a military nurse in wartime is to. The correct answer is option B, provide care to injured soldier. Question number 15. Confidentiality in nursing practice is protected under. The correct answer B, Nursing Code of Ethics. Question number 16. A nurse observes a colleague giving a wrong medication dose. The nurse should. The correct answer B, report to the supervisor immediately. Question number 17. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating body temperature? The correct answer is option C, hypothalamus. Question number 19. What is the first step in hand washing according to WHO guidelines? The correct answer is option B, wet hands with water. Question number 20. Which of the following is the best position for a patient with difficulty breathing? The correct answer is option C, semi-folars. Question number 21. Which of the following conditions is a contraindication for administering IV potassium? The correct answer is option B, renal failure. Question number 22. Which is the most common complication of diabetes mellitus? The correct answer is option B, retinopathy. Question number 23. During the third stage of labor, the primary concern of the nurse is. The correct answer is option C, delivery of the placenta. Question number 24. The first stage of labor begins with. The correct answer is option B, onset of regular contractions. Question number 25. The most appropriate site for administering an intramuscular injection in an infant is. The correct answer B, vastus lateralis muscle. Question number 26. At what age does the posterior fontanelle in an infant usually close? The correct answer is option C, 2 months. Question number 27. What is the correct chest compression to ventilation ratio for a single respirator in adult CPR? The correct answer is option B, 30:2. Question number 28. The rule of nines is used to. The correct answer is option B. Assess the percentage of body surface area burned. Question number 29. A deficiency of which nutrient causes scurvy? The correct answer is option A, vitamin C. Question number 30. Which of the following is a side effect of opioid analgesics? The correct answer is option B, constipation. Question number 32. What is the antidote for warfarin overdose? The correct answer is option C, vitamin K. Question number 33. Which is the most effective method for sterilizing surgical instruments? The correct answer is option C, autoclaving. Question number 35. The primary mode of transmission for tuberculosis is. The correct answer is option B, droplet transmission. Question number 36. What is the primary responsibility of a field nurse during a military operation? The correct answer is option B, provide immediate trauma care. Question number 37. Which organization governs international humanitarian law for armed conflicts? The correct answer B, Red Cross and Red Crescent Movement. Question number 38. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? The correct answer is option B, pulmonary vein. Question number 39. The largest organ in the human body is. The correct answer is option C, skin. Question number 40. What is the most common early symptom of hypoglycemia? The correct answer is option B, tremors and sweating. Question number 41. Which of the following is the most important nursing intervention for a patient with a chest tube? The correct answer B. Ensure the drainage system remains below chest level. Question number 42. What is the normal duration of the puerperim period? The correct answer is option B, 6 weeks. Question number 43. The fetal heart rate FHR is considered normal within which range? The correct answer B, 120 to 160 beats per minute. Question number 44. Failure to thrive in children is most commonly associated with. The correct answer is option B, malnutrition. Question number 45. The first priority in triage for mass casualty situations is not treat patients who. The correct answer A, have the highest chance of survival with immediate. Question number 46. Which of the following drugs is used to treat an anaphylactic reaction? The correct answer is option B. Question number 47. The most important step to prevent hospital acquired infections is. The correct answer is option B. Frequent hand washing. Thanks for watching.